you're experiencing the Rocket League login failure error 2025, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary login issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them as necessary. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're currently using Wi-Fi. Step 5. Update your game. Make sure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure error and enjoy playing Rocket League again. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.